Guys, do you not hear this? Look at how close they are. Look at how close they are. We live over here and they're right there. Are they coming? Imagine they come with their group because they're about to cross Center Street. If they cross Center Street, if they just keep going forward and they cross Center Street, they're coming. I don't know if they'll pull in a Wawa. And I hope that's not the case. It doesn't look like it. No! You gotta be kidding me. We should be able to see him now. They're gonna be right at Wawa. They're gonna be right over there at Wawa. We should be able to see him. You guys should see him. I see him right there. They're right there. As you can see them, yep. We're going by Wawa. Why are they playing Jingle Bells with their horn? Dude. What is going on? Imagine they come by our house. Are those 3 big trucks? It's really just a parade this year. They're going back now, and then they're going back on the main street of Mastertown. Are they going to come our way? We're not supposed to be down for another 2 hours. And they want to just go on a U-turn and go back onto Center Street. And as soon as they want to just go back down Mystic Island where Mastertown Road where they just were. They just were about an hour ago. Tracker's showing them going down. No, they're going forward. No, they're going. Are they going back down where they just were? I mean, they do got some short streets to go on over there. And maybe they'll come back over here because they have Mastertown Road streets. Where are they going?